Oh yeah. That's where I'm sleeping for tonight, because we're going racing tomorrow morning, and we gotta sleep out front. So this is my setup. That's cool. Got the tent going. Little blanket, but it's pretty hot. All right, it's like 78 degrees, so hopefully this works out. All right, guys, so we're up. Let's get some shots of the outside of the car. Maybe it'll be some good lighting. We're gonna change real quick and get ready for the track day. Yeah, brother. $295, 35, RE-71. These things are working out great. Second day on these. Cup car, and then a really nice vet. I assume these are low 50 cars, if not high 40s. So see how this goes. Excited to get out there. The whole pit thing. Go to fast intermediate. Should be sub 2, like just all day. Can I get a lot of space? I'm just like,
yeah, I got you, man.
I'm hitting everybody.
Or 57.13.
right, so I haven't been here in, let's say, 3 years, but apparently they, I don't know, for whatever reason they got this in club going on, this Hyundai. There's a bunch of them in advanced, and I feel like I'm running 10 seconds a lap faster. But anyways, let's not talk about that. Let's talk about the fact that we are running these tires. These tires are feeling really good. They did get a bit hot towards the end of the session, but honestly, they felt really good. I did pull off a 156, not bad. But like I said, that was after like that was a 5th lap, and I was sitting in the pits and all that. So this is the lap 1 Wonder Car. It said I could have done a 56.1, so basically a 55 on that particular lap. So let's see what we can do next time. Let's go for 54s, 53s, honestly 52s, but I need to go faster in Riverside. That's what I was noticing. So, and let's just do it. It'll make me faster. Eh? Round number 2. Got this race car behind me. Slow last time. See how he does. Excited to actually beat the front of the group for once. So let's get a decent out lap, and we'll send it lap 1. Awesome. All right. So far in the second session, we ended up popping out a 155. It says I said I could do a 154, which is cool. M4 is doing good. The tires actually feel really good. They are still about like two if not three laps on these, kind of similar to the RZ is what I'm seeing. But they do feel very consistent. I've actually heard that these tires get even faster as they wear down a little bit more. So honestly, I'm digging them, but it's hot. It's like 81. Track temperature is probably 100 something. So yeah, it's just one of those things. It's Bakersfield, you know what I mean? So time attack session, I did a 157. How'd that happen? Because it's hot. It's real hot. Here's the tires. We'll show them off the car. Definitely got a workout today, so that was really good. Honestly, I had fun during the time attack, and that's usually what happens when you go by time. It makes it a fun time. When they just have you go out and it's a mixed group, it's just, I don't know, it becomes a problem. So me and Brian is fast in the Riverside area, so pretty cool. All right, so we just finished up. It's the second day. Let's go ahead and pop off the fronts, and we'll just put on the Potenza Sports for the drive home. I want to show you guys the fronts, because no wonder they didn't get that torn up, because wasn't driving as hard. We ran a 155 at Buttonwillow today. Said I had 154s in it. It's pretty hot. It's like 90 something degrees right now, so that definitely did not help. And my first session was pretty garbage due to traffic. So here we go. That is what they look like. So a little bit of wearing right here on this middle bar, but this looks good. The outer shoulder looks good. Camber wear looks really good. I put -3.5 in it. A bit of rollover, but we're still above the arrow. So we are looking solid on these. Brakes did well. And yeah, we'll just throw on the Koenigs, but overall, real happy with how this setup did. So, nice.
All right, in second place with a time of 1:55.593 in the BMW M4, we got Blake Titus.
All
Yay,
right.
Blake!
Thank you, sir. All right.
With a time of 1:51.06 in And an NB Miata, we got Brian Casella.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. Cheater. Here you go.
That's a BMW driver?
Cool. I can go home now.
Same.
Nice, brother.
Out of here.
Later, dude.
Thank you for letting me use that tour.
Yeah, no problem, dude. Have a good drive home.